get into the close-ups in just a second. My honest review, I definitely feel like my jeweler could have took one more link off. Oh, child, when is that going to stop happening in these videos? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber Marion. I do a little bit of everything here dealing with luxury and beauty. I do unboxings, reviews, a whole bunch of stuff just to kind of give you an idea. And if you're not new here, well then welcome back. I hope you're doing good. I hope everything is going great. It is a very cold day here in New Jersey. Just the other day it was 60 something degrees and literally this morning it was flurrying. Before we get into today's JBW unboxing, I need a favor from you guys. Please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on. So every time I upload an unboxing or something of that nature, you'll get a little notification. And let me just tell you, I have a couple of big unboxings coming up. So you definitely want to make sure you're hitting subscribe and turning your post notifications on. While you're at it, if you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me there as well. I'm always posting in my stories. I want to get into doing reels and different things like that. So make sure you're following me on Instagram as well. And yeah, I think it's time for us to get into this unboxing. Well, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I have another unboxing for you. This one's a little bit different. It's not necessarily a luxury designer. It's not necessarily a high-end brand. But it is a brand that has diamonds, and if there's one thing I love more than purses and sunglasses, it's probably diamonds. So I was super excited to place an order with this company. At this point, you read the title, so you know that we are going to be... That's Marley. If you're not new here, you know her. In this video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing my recent purchase from JBW Watches. So first things first, I had never really heard about JBW Watches until probably about a year or so ago. I had seen a few YouTube girls mention them in their videos. I guess they were doing sponsored content with them. And then I had kind of seen a lot of different people on Instagram tag them. So I was interested and I found out that JBW Watches is a watch brand. Duh, Amber. It is a watch brand, and all of their watches have some real diamonds on the watch, as well as the rest being Swaroski crystals. So each timepiece has genuine AGI certified diamonds in them, and depending on which piece you get, it will tell you where those diamonds are located on your watch. So I placed this order last week. Shipping was pretty fast. I didn't pick overnight shipping, but I did choose expedited shipping. Why? I don't know. I just did. So this is how the watch arrived. Well, it came in a box like this. So it came in this with a little envelope that contained my receipt and some information about how to set up the warranty for my watch and all the different things that they offer. So I was a little surprised that my watch did not come in a traditional watch box, because I have seen people unbox these and they usually come in a box. Mine came in this, I don't know what that is, little leather, I guess it's like a watch travel case. So then inside, when you open her up, the first thing that you have on the side is the diamond. I don't know if you can read the small print on the bottom, but this is the diamond certification and authentication card. So basically on the back, it just tells you the serial number. It's basically a birth certificate for your diamonds. If you buy diamonds, you know, sometimes, well, most of the time, diamonds do come with birth certificates, or at least they should. I call them birth certificates. They're really just authentication cards. So it does have a little suede divider. It has two parts to it. So this is the watch I ended up picking up from JBW, and this is the Cristal 28 watch. So the Cristal has 12 real diamonds, and those diamonds are at each hour mark. And then it has 303 Swarovski crystals throughout the rest of the face and the bezel. And what it also came with the Cristal 28, I wasn't aware that it came with this, but it also came with this super cute bangle. It's kind of like a Cartier-ish look. I don't know. I'm not really crazy about the bangle, but the bangle itself has 144 Swarovski crystals in it as well. So it's an 18 karat gold plated stainless steel band. I actually had to take mine to my local jeweler, well, my jeweler, to get it sized because it was super big on my wrist when I first got it. I believe I saw Kira on here with the same set, and she was wearing it with the bangle. I don't know, I'm just not really crazy about the bangle. It's a very heavy watch, which was something that I wasn't expecting. I was kind of expecting it to be like a flimsy, I don't want to say cheap watch or cheaply made watch, but just a light watch. You know what I mean? So I definitely feel like I could have had my jeweler take off one more link. I actually had him take off 2 links, and then by the time I got to the parking lot, I was like to my husband, can you please go in and have him take off one more link? So I feel like I probably could have used one more link off. You can have a cute accessory with genuine diamonds and Swarovski crystals for an affordable price with JBW. JBW does offer a $5 watch sizing tool. After I saw how easy my jeweler did it, I was like, oh, he really just kind of had the tool and it worked super quick. So if you are interested in buying a JBW watch, I would definitely recommend getting the watch sizing tool from them directly, so you get it at the same time as you get your order and you can do it at home yourself. I am going to give you guys some close-ups of the watch. You know, I always give close-ups during my unboxings so you guys can really see the little individual details. But overall, like I said, for under $300, I'm pleased with my purchase. I don't know. I believe it has a 2-year battery warranty. I haven't registered it yet, but there is a few different warranties on the watch directly from JBW that are included with your purchase. So as promised, I am back with the close-ups of the watch. So you know we will insert them. It's a little hard for you to see the face. Then this is the back. It is a double closure. So it closes like this. It is a super, I know I've said this before, but it's actually heavy. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't know how to do ASMR, but it is a heavy watch. I was really hesitant about the square watch, like I said, but she's just giving vibes. She's just giving, like, you know what I mean? So super cute. I would definitely recommend if you're just like looking for an everyday watch, but you still want some real bling in it, but you're like, you know, you're not jumping out the window buying a bust down Rolly or Cartier. I think JBW definitely has something for you. They have watches ranging from like 12 diamonds all the way up to like a face full of diamonds. So they literally have something for everybody on their site. I definitely will say it shines. It definitely shines. And I just think it, like, you know, it really adds a little bit of class to an outfit. Like, I could have on a sweatsuit and just throw this on, and then with my wedding bands and my earrings and my little necklace, any of my necklaces rather, it'll just really piece it together. And yeah, I wish you could see it better. Like I said, it was flurrying out today. It's such a gloomy day that none of my lighting is even working. But overall, I love it. And yeah, if you wanted to know, that was a Leah on my shirt all day. She kind of got cut out. But yeah, so overall, I'm super happy with my purchase. You guys know, if you're not new here, that I always say I'm super happy with my purchases. Well, I always usually say that. There are a few, one or two unboxings on here, if you go through them, that I was not that happy with. But I definitely recommend checking JBW Watches out if you're looking for a watch with diamonds and just a lot of bling, good quality, but still at an affordable price. I highly recommend checking them out. I don't have a code or anything like that for JBW Watches, but they always seem to be having great sales. What I would recommend also is signing up for their text alerts, because they will let you know when they're having sales. I believe they just posted a 54% or 74% off sale. I don't know, but I already purchased my watch from them. I definitely would give one of these as a gift to maybe like my best friend Cindy for a holiday or her birthday. Because they really are super cute, and definitely check them out because they have a ton of different styles besides this one. Once again, this is the Cristal 28 from JBW Watches, and I highly recommend. I mean, they were super quick with shipping, they were super quick with customer service, and so far the quality of the watch is amazing. And like I said, an added bonus is definitely diamond certification and authentication card. That kind of gives you a little bit of peace of mind that you did actually purchase real, genuine diamonds. And yeah, they've been this is basically just saying they've been previously inspected carefully and placed on the bezel, hand, or dial. Like I said, the Cristal 28 only has them in the dial, but on JBW Watches, they will tell you in each description how many diamonds are in that timepiece and where they are. So that's super cool. It is also a Swiss movement watch, in case any watchy people wanted to know that detail. But like I said, 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend. Affordable, great looking pieces, and the added bonus is having the genuine diamonds in the timepiece. So I think that wraps it up for this JBW unboxing. Thank you so much for watching another unboxing, a little bit different, but still an unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you're hitting the thumbs up, leave me a little comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.